Ellen McCauley at Pray It Up. I am going to do some sort of meditation as a Lenten intention. And even if you start with it a minute and maybe go to 2 minutes, I definitely can do the doodle prayer. I know I can do that. But if you breathe in, and there's breathing exercises on the next few pages, and even if you get a mantra like, Jesus, I trust in you. Jesus, I trust in you. And something of that nature. And then you just become aware of your thoughts. And then you just try. People even go on a walking meditation where they go on a 2-mile walk and they talk to God. Whoa, God, look at that dog over there. They must have an electric fence. What do you think? God is interested in all things. Meditation can have a lot of health benefits. I suggest you do it before bed, especially if you're like me and have trouble shutting your thoughts off. You can sit or lie comfortably, close your eyes, and just try to, God, I'm here. Even if you focus on, next week or soon, it's the woman at the well. It's one of the Bible readings. Maybe it's 2 weeks from now. Even focus on that. What was she like? She goes to the well to get water, and then there's the Savior of the universe who already knows everything she's ever done and still cares about her. That can be a form of meditation, or Lectio Divini, I think it's called. So the breathing is there, deep breathing, read the article, and just, if that's something that interests you, try it. I put in white fish twist. I used to have it called tilapia twist, but it could be any fish you want. We used haddock this week, and it was delicious. So that's a nice recipe. I'm going to stop right there, Bobby, and play the song. Like I said,